Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mobile Legends, Bang Bang on your laptop. First, you'll need to understand that emulators are key to bridging the gap between mobile and PC gaming. We'll focus on using BlueStacks, a widely recognized and efficient emulator, to get your game running smoothly. This method provides a much larger screen and more precise controls for an improved gaming experience. To begin, navigate to the official BlueStacks website using your web browser. Locate and download the installer file for your operating system. Once the download is complete, launch the installer and carefully follow the instructions provided. It's important to ensure your laptop has at least 4 GB of RAM and 10 GB of free disk space for optimal performance. After BlueStacks is successfully installed and launched, you'll find the Google Play Store within the emulator. Sign in with your Google account to access the store. Use the search bar to find Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, and click to install it. The installation process is similar to downloading an app on your phone, and it might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once Mobile Legends is installed, open it within BlueStacks. You can then customize your keyboard and mouse controls through the emulator's game Controls Editor, often found in the side toolbar. Experiment with different settings like WASD for movement and hotkeys for skills to find what feels best. Adjust in-game graphics for a smooth experience and get ready to dominate the battlefield with enhanced precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.